Hello everyone and welcome to my channel EnglishLi. Today we will talk about past simple irregular verbs. If you haven't watched my video about past simple irregular verbs, I will leave for you a link below this video. Let's start. And let's start with the very start. When we use past simple with the words yesterday, last year, last month, last week, a year ago, a month ago, etc. For example, we washed the dishes an hour ago. And when the action is over, in the past period, for example, we cooked, danced and watched TV. There is no connection with the present. So, how to form the past simple tense? Remember that we are talking about irregular verbs. So you need this amazing table, irregular verbs in English, and we need the second form of the verb. Next, we need a person, an object, I, you, he, she, it with a, etc., etc. And here we go. Drive, drove, I drove a car. Feel, felt, the second form, he felt cold. Let's continue. How to form the past simple negative sentences. Here we need, of course, did not or didn't, plus a verb, a usual verb, and again, an object or a person, I, you, he, she, it, my friends, a cat, a dog. And look at these examples. I didn't drive a car yesterday. Drive, it is the first form of the verb. So I didn't drive a car yesterday. She didn't feel cold an hour ago. They didn't go to Paris. How to form the past simple tense questions. Again, did, verb, initial, first form, verb. Again, who, what we want to talk about, and let's look at the examples. Did you drive a car yesterday? Did they go to Paris an hour ago? Did she feel cold? So let's practice. Open the brackets and make positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions. For example, I, brackets, eat a cake. Open the brackets. I ate, the second form of the verb. I didn't eat, didn't plus initial verb, initial form of the verb. Did I eat? Did plus I plus eat, the first form of the verb. Okay, so let's start. She drive a car yesterday. 2. We buy a hotel last year. 3. They meet their friends a week ago. 4. Andrew ran in the park 1 hour ago. 5. My brother draw a picture. 6. Andy go to the party. 7. We drink some tea 1 hour ago. 8. Anne fly to London last week. And answers, of course. Number 1. She drove a car yesterday. Did she drive? She didn't drive. 2. We bought a hotel last year. Did we buy? We didn't buy. 3. They met their friends a week ago. Did they meet? They didn't meet. 4. Andrew ran in the park 1 hour ago. He didn't run. Did Andrew run? 5. My brother drew a picture. Did he draw? He didn't draw. 6. Andy went to the party. Did she go? She didn't go. 7. We drank some tea 1 hour ago. Did we drink? We didn't drink. 8. Anne flew to London last week. Didn't fly and didn't fly. That is the end of this video for today. Thank you so much for your attention, for your time, for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave your comments, and of course, don't forget to push the like button. I will be so happy about this. Have a good day. Thank you again. See you soon.